Replacement parts are available for your InMotion automated touchless paper towel dispensers from GP Pro. You can order replacement parts by going to www.gppro.com or calling 1-866-435-5647. Replacement covers are available in black, white, or gray. To remove the existing cover, unlock the cover using the access key. Locate the hinge rod and slide the rod to the right to release the cover. Align the new cover and replace the rod. To remove the chassis, first open the cover using the access key. Open the battery cover and remove the batteries. Remove the 2 screws located inside the battery compartment and remove the existing chassis. The replacement chassis can then be slid into place and the 2 screws reinserted. Don't forget to reload the 4 batteries. The roll holders for the InMotion Impulse dispenser can easily be removed and replaced. To replace the carousel in the InMotion Classic 10-inch dispenser, first press the tab at the top of the right support arm and lift up. Remove the dispenser from the wall. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the tab and release the second support arm. Remove the old carousel and install the replacement. The InMotion automated touchless paper towel dispensers from GP Pro. That's confidence at work.